Welcome to Rovers Readers, an at-home phonics learning and reading platform. Visit roversreaders.com to download the following lesson and follow along with us today. Hello, Teacher Sadia here, and welcome back to the Rovers Readers classroom. You can find today's lesson in Book 5, page 6 and 7. Thanks for coming to class today. Do you remember what sound this makes? That's right, it says w, like wash. How about this sound? Yeah, it says k, like kiss. But today we are here to learn this sound. Do you know what sound this makes? It says shh. Shh, shh, shh. What words have the sh sound? Is it shoe? Shoe. Yes, shoe has the sh sound. Is it dog? No, dog doesn't have the sh sound. How about fish? Fish. Sh. Yes, fish has the sh sound. How about sheep? Sheep. Yes, sheep has the sh sound. Great job. Now let's read our sentence to see how many sh words we can find. The big shark has shiny, sharp teeth. Wow, lots of sh sounds. But let's read it again and see if we can point out each sh sound. The big shark has shiny, sharp teeth. Wow, that's a lot of sharks. Now remember, when we are practicing new sounds, we must also learn how to write them. With that being said, let's learn to write the sh sound. To make the sh sound, we have to write the letter S and the letter H. To write the letter S, we start in the middle and make a curved line around, and then make a curved line the other way to the bottom, like that. To write the letter H, we start at the top and make a straight line down to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curved line down to the bottom. See how easy writing the sh sound is? But now we need to practice using our pencil. Do you have your pencil ready? Great! Now follow along in your workbook as we trace the sh sound. First, begin with the letter S. Start in the middle and make a curved line around, and then make a curved line the other way down to the bottom. Now the letter H. Start at the top and make a straight line down to the bottom. Then go to the middle and make a curved line down to the bottom. What a great job! Now you try the last few by yourself and follow along with the lesson if you need a little help. Those sh sounds look amazing, but I think we still need a bit more practice writing some more sh sounds. And now remember to write the lowercase s, start in the middle and make a curved line around, then make a curved line the other way to the bottom. Now for the letter H. Start at the top and make a line down to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curved line down to the bottom. Great job! You do the last few by yourself, and remember, follow along with the lesson if you need a little help. Well, that's the end of our lesson. Thanks for coming, and I hope to see you next time when we learn about the letter H. Do you know what sound the letter H makes? It says h. Maybe you can think of some words that begin with the h sound and share them with me in the next lesson. Until then, bye.